Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial of React. So today we are going to learn about the GraphQL, and this is the thing that is introduction to Apollo client. Okay, so in the React we are using the Apollo client. So what exactly it is, how it works, why we are using, what are the methods of fetching queries, mutation, refetching, subscription, fragments, error handling, and the caching. So let's discuss about it. What is Apollo client, right? So here you can see that there's a documentation of Apollo client which I'm looking forward it. Okay, so what is it? Apollo client is a comprehensive state management library. So what it is a state management library for JavaScript that enables you to both manage local and the remote data with GraphQL. Okay, so basically you have to use GraphQL with the Apollo client, right? Use it to fetch, cache, and modify application data. So where we are going to use fetching the data and the cache it and modify the application data, all while automatically updating your UI. Okay, Apollo client helps you to structure code in an economical, predictable way, right? And declarative way that's consistent with the modern development practice. The core Apollo client library provides built-in integration with React, and the larger Apollo community maintains integration for the other view layers. Okay, so why we are using Apollo client? This is the question. Why choose the Polo client to manage your data? Apollo client again is a state management library that simplifies your local data with GraphQL. It has the intelligent caching and declarative approach to data fetching can help you to iterate faster while writing less code. That is the main difference. That is intelligent caching and declarative approach to data fetching can help you to iterate faster while writing less code. Additionally, if you need custom functionality, you can create your own dream client by building extensions on the top of Apollo client. Okay. So this exactly we about the Apollo client. In the coming video, we are going to learn how to install, how to introduction, how to fetch data, how to mutate it, how to refetching, and how to add caching, authorization, everything related to the Apollo client we are going to learn in the coming series. Okay. So any doubt, any query, so let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.